So, Google search volume is dropping, right?
Yeah.
And I mean, millions of people are now just asking ChatGPT what to buy or what software to use.
Oh, absolutely. It is a massive shift in how we find information.
But here's the terrifying part for any brand. You have absolutely no idea if these AIs are recommending you or, your competitors.
Yeah, it is a complete blind spot right now.
Right. So today, as always, we're looking at the AIagentstore.ai website page to check out a marketing tool called Gauge. They are on a mission to solve this exact blind spot with something they call generative visibility.
Which is so critical because with users shifting from traditional search engines to asking AI directly, brands really need to know if they are even showing up in those synthesized answers.
Exactly. I mean, if an AI doesn't know a brand exists, does it even exist to the modern consumer?
Well, that is the exact problem Gauge is tackling. It is a platform specifically built to monitor prompt responses daily.
Daily. Oh, wow. But I am looking at this list of models it tracks, and it is a lot.
Yeah, it covers all the major LLMs, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, and Copilot.
Okay, my first thought as a marketer is just pure panic. Optimizing for Google's algorithm used to be a full-time job. Monitoring 5 different AI brains sounds impossible without an army.
Right, doing it manually would be a nightmare. But Gauge tracks your mention rates, citation rates, and even competitor advantages automatically.
So it basically functions like a digital PR monitor for the AI brain.
That is a great way to put it, actually. It is constantly checking the pulse of these LLMs.
But, knowing you have a visibility problem is really only half the battle.
Oh, for sure. Finding out you are invisible to Claude is terrifying, but just knowing that does not fix anything.
Right, which brings me to a pretty big hesitation here. Does it actually do the heavy lifting for a busy marketer, or just give them more chores? Because a blank spreadsheet of raw data is the last thing anyone needs.
Nobody wants more chores, and that is where the platform introduces their AI assistant, which is called Ask Gauge.
Okay, and what does that do?
It operates with a very high level of autonomy. So it does not just hand you data. It independently analyzes all that tracking data to prioritize recommendations for you.
Wait, really? Completely without manual intervention?
Completely. And it goes way beyond just giving you advice. It actually features a built-in content engine.
A content engine. Like, it writes things.
Yes. It creates articles optimized for both AI search and traditional search. So it takes you from just analyzing the problem straight into taking action.
Wait, but let me push back on that for a second. If Gauge is an AI, and it is writing AI-optimized articles to feed back into other AIs like Gemini and Perplexity, are we just creating a loop?
It definitely sounds like a snake eating its own tail, yeah.
I mean, if AI content engines like Gauge are optimizing articles specifically to be read and cited by other LLMs, are we approaching an internet where AIs are just talking to AIs?
It's a wild thought, right? You are structuring the data for the machine so it can serve the human.
But it feels like we are bypassing the human reader entirely until the very last second of the transaction. Definitely something for you to ponder.
It is a profound shift, for sure.
Well, to explore this tool for yourself, you can head over to the link at AIagentstore.ai. Thank you for rating the podcast, and we will catch you next time.